Understanding Simulation Games, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this session, we're going to explore the fascinating world of simulation games. These are a type of video game that simulate real-world activities. Whether you're a gamer or just curious about this genre, this video is for you. Simulation games are video games that replicate real-life activities. Unlike traditional games, they don't focus on winning or losing. Instead, they're about experiencing and managing a virtual environment. Examples include farming, city building, and flight simulation. These games can be both educational and entertaining. Why do people play simulation games? The reasons vary. Some play for relaxation and enjoyment, while others use them for educational purposes. For instance, a flight simulation game can help trainee pilots understand flying mechanics. These games offer a safe environment to experiment and learn about different aspects of life. One of the most important aspects of simulation games is their realism. They often include real-world physics, economics, and logic. Players might need to manage resources, make decisions, and solve problems, just like in real life. This level of detail makes these games both challenging and rewarding. There are many popular simulation games out there. Games like The Sims allow players to control virtual people and manage their lives. SimCity focuses on city building and management. Farming Simulator gives a taste of agricultural life. These games vary in complexity but share the common trait of simulating real-world activities. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of simulation games and why they're so popular. Whether you're using them for fun or education, they offer a unique way to experience and learn about different aspects of life. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.